Today's question is root 3 plus root x, that is equal to 3. We need to find x value here. Let's see how to solve. Here we have a root x. To get rid of that, we need to do square on both sides. So let's do square on both sides. Then root 3 plus root x whole square, that is equal to 3 square. 3 square, the value is 9. Now the left hand side is in the form of a plus b whole square. So the formula is a power 2 plus b power 2 plus 2ab, isn't it? So let's use that formula here. So a power 2, that is root 3 whole power 2. After the square and square root gets cancelled, we left only 3. So the a power 2, the value is 3. Similarly, b power 2, the value is x plus 2 times ab, root 3 times root x, that is equal to 9. Here root 3 times root x, it is in the form of root a times root b. We can write this as root ab as a product. Same like that, here root 3 times root x, we can write it as root 3x. Now this 3 plus x, if you send to right hand side, then it's going to be 2 root 3x, that is equal to 9. If you send to right hand side, then it will become minus 3 minus x, isn't it? 3 minus x. 9 minus 3, the value is 6. So we got 6 minus x. Still we have a square on left hand side. That's why again do square on both sides. Here 2 raised to the power of 2, the value is 4 times root 3x whole raised to the power of 2. Here square and square root gets cancelled, so we left only 3x. So 4 times 3x, which gives 12x, isn't it? So let's write only 12x, that is equal to, the right hand side it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So what is the a minus b whole square formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So use that formula. So a square, which is 6 square, that is 36, plus b square, that is x power 2 minus 2 times a value is 6, b value is x. So 2 times 6, which is 12. So here we got 12x. If you do both sides by minus 12x, then here plus 12x minus 12x gets cancelled. So we left only 0 on your left hand side. The right hand side, what we have? X raised to the power of 2 minus 12x, which gives minus 24x. Then 36, that is equal to 0. So we convert into a quadratic equation. Let's write in terms of the quadratic equation. What we have? X raised to the power of 2 minus 24x plus 36 equal to 0. Using our quadratic formula, we are going to find the roots of this x. So what is the formula? Minus b. Here b value is minus 24 plus or minus square root of b square, that is minus 24 square minus 4 times a c. C value is 36 divided by 2 times a. A value is 1. Let's write only 2 at the denominator. Now 4 times 36, this value is 144. Minus 24 whole square, the value is 576. 576 minus 144, which gives only 432. Here minus term minus plus, so here 424 divided by 2, that is your x value. You can simplify a little bit here. So 432, if you want to find the factors, it is going to be, so 24 plus or minus, so 430 we can write it as 3 times 4, which is 12, times 3 times 4, which is 12. Still we have a 3. So let's write 3. So 432 we can write it as 12 times 3 divided by 2. This root 12 times root 12, which is only 12. So 24 plus or minus 12 root 3 divided by 2. At numerator, if you take 2 as common, then 24, if you take 2 as common, so it becomes only 12 plus or minus. From 12, if you take 2 as common, so you left only 6 root 3 divided by 2. So here 2 gets cancelled. So the x value is 12 plus or minus 6 root 3. This is the x value. But is this x value satisfied our given expression or not? Let's go and check. We got two roots. One is 12 plus 6 root 3 and another one is 12 minus 6 root 3. Our given expression is root 3 plus root x, that is equal to 3. We need to show this equal to 3. So first we are going to consider the first root, which is 12 plus root 3. So that is root 3 plus square root of 12 plus 6 root 3. So that is equal to 3. So before solve this, first we need to find out the square root of 12 plus 6 root 3 value. So here the under square root expression 12 plus 6 root 3, if you write in terms of a plus b whole square, then if the square and square root gets cancelled, so we left only a plus b. So that's why I'm trying to convert this 12 plus 6 root 3 as in terms of a plus b whole power 2 formula. A plus b whole raised to formula is a power 2 plus b power 2 plus 2ab. So let's write in terms of this form. The 6 root 3, so here we have a 2. So let's write this 6 as 2 times 3, which is 6, then root 3. So this is 2ab. That means a value is 3, b value is root 3. So now, we are written in terms of 2ab form. Now you need to write this a power 2 plus b power 2 form. So our a value is 3, then b value is root 3. But is it same as 12 plus 6 root 3? Let's check. 3 power 2, the value is 9, plus root 3 whole power 2. Here 2 and square root gets cancelled, so we left only 3, plus 2 times 3, which is 6 root 3. 9 plus 2, the value is 12, plus 6 root 3. So yes, this 3 power 2 plus root 3 whole power 2 plus 2 times 3 root 3, the value is 12 plus 6 root 3 only. Here our a value is 3 and b value is root 3. You can simply write this as a plus b whole square. Our a value is 3 and b value is root 3 whole power 2. So the square root of 12 plus 6 root 3, we can write this as square root of 12 plus 6 root 3. Instead of that, we are going to write this as 3 plus root 3 whole square. Here square and square root gets cancelled, so square root of 12 plus 6 root 3, the value is 3 plus root 3. So instead of this part, we can write this as 3 plus root 3. But 3 plus root, here root 3 and here root 3, it gives 2 root 3, and still we have 3, which is not going to be equal to 3. So that's why this x as 12 plus 6 root 3 is not satisfied our given expression. That's why we are rejecting this. Now let's take the second root, which is 12 minus 6 root 3. Root 3 plus, now our x value is 12 minus 6 root 3. That is equal to, you need to show this sum is equal to 3. For that, first you need to find the square root value. That expression 12 minus 6 root 3, if you write in terms of a minus b whole square form, then it is easy to write. That's why I'm going to convert in terms of a minus b whole square form. The formula is a power 2 plus b power 2 minus 2ab. Observe this 2ab, and here we have a 6 root 3. 6 root 3 we can write as 2 times 3 root 3. So that means we converted 6 root 3 as in terms of 2ab form, isn't it? So that means our a value is 3, b value is root 3. So now write in terms of this a power 2 plus b power 2, that is 3 power 2 plus root 3 whole power 2. And here we have a minus, just as minus. But is it same as 12? Let's check. 3 raised to power of 2, the value is 9, plus here square and square root gets cancelled, so we left only 3. So 9 plus 3, that is 12, minus 2 times 3 is 6 root 3, which is same as our taken root. So that's why this 12 minus 6 root 3 we can write in terms of a minus b whole square form. So our a value is 3 and b value is root 3 whole power 2. So square root of 3 minus root 3 whole raised to power of 2. Here square and square root gets cancelled, so we left only 3 minus root 3. The square root of 12 minus 6 root 3, we can simply write this as 3 minus root 3. So let's write here 3 minus root 3. Here plus root 3 and here minus root 3 gets cancelled. So left hand side we left only 3, that is equal to right hand side we have 3. So 3 equal to 3. That means x value is 12 minus 6 root 3 satisfied our given expression. So this x value is 12 minus 6 root 3. That's it. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.